Hi, I'm Maydha, and I'm here to talk about how CU Denver is making innovations on its campus. Innovation is a lot more than just making something physical and tangible. A lot of the times we might think of something that you can hold as being an innovation, but a lot of the times what we tend to ignore are systems that help people. One of the really cool things that every engineering student can do is work on projects that impact your community. So first, CU Denver kind of reaches out to people in the community and finds real projects, real people that need help or systems that need help. And they bring these projects back to our engineering classrooms. Since CU Denver is in the heart of the city, we're really close to a lot of opportunities. So we're working with hospitals, we're working with industry partners, we're working with cutting edge technology. So let's make something that can impact people to help what's not currently getting met. I'm really proud to be a student here because all my projects helped real people, and I'm really excited for the next chapter.